Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, which is a reputed University of India. In this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Admission notice 2024 has come for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other courses. So in this video I will give you information regarding admission notice 2024 for Christian Medical College Vellore, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams for CMC Vellore and other university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT, PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a very reputed University of India. So here admission notice has come for 2024 admissions. So I am giving you information regarding admission notice. Christian Medical College Vellore, Tamil Nadu 632002. Email registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in. Admission notice 2024. Group A. And in Group A, courses are MBBS, BSc Nursing Vellore Campus, BSc Nursing Chittoor Campus and Allied Health Sciences AHS degree courses. Group B, in Group B, Diploma in Nursing AHS Diploma courses, AHS PG Diploma, MSc Biostatics, Medical Physics, Epidemiology, Clinical Nutrition and Nuclear Medicine Technology, MPH Master of Public Health, MHA Master of Hospital Administration, MPT Master of Physiotherapy, MOT Advanced OT in Neurology, Pediatrics, Mental Health, Fellowship in Antimicrobial Stewardship for Clinical Pharmacists, Hospital Quality Management, FHQM and Hospital Chaplaincy courses. The last date for online application submission for Group A and B courses with payment is 21st March 2024. So 21st March 2024 is the last date. For more details, refer admission brochure available at CMC Vellore website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. Important information: the admission process contained in the bulletin shall be subject to any order that may be passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, High Court, any other statutory enactments that may be passed by the central or state government registrar. Public notice: the general public are cautioned not to be lured by any person offering admission to any of the courses conducted by CMC Vellore. The college will not be responsible for any candidates or parents dealing with such persons. Civil and criminal court proceedings will be taken up against any person who holds out promises and also uses the institution's intellectual properties. Please note, we do not admit students through agents or agencies. CMC Vellore Administration. So for more details refer admission bulletin. So this is the admission bulletin. So this is the information bulletin. Allied Health Master Courses Admission 2024. The Registrar, Christian Medical College, Vellore 632002, Tamil Nadu, India. And these are the phone numbers. Regular working hour Monday to Friday 8 a.m. 8 to 5 p.m. Saturday 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Email registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in. Website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. All courses and admission to our college are subject to applicable regulations by university, government, statutory bodies, National Medical Commission. Admission to CMC Vellore are through the process described in the prospectus. No fee or donation or any other payments are accepted in lieu of admissions other than what has been prescribed in the prospectus. The prospectus can be downloaded free from our website cmch-vellore.edu. The general public are therefore cautioned not to be lured by any persons offering admission to any of the courses conducted by CMC. So these are the information. So here is the information for first code is given, then course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats open, minority network, fees, approximate admission year, other year. So these are the information for the courses. Here I am giving you information regarding MHA and MPH courses. So Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, educational eligibility, MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BNYS, BUMS, BSMS or BE, Biomedical Engineering, BTech, Biotechnology or BSc, Nursing, B Pharmacy, BPT or BBA and BHA in Hospital Administration or BSc Allied Health Sciences, NE or BSc Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology. Entrance exam paper non-science. Number of seats open 5, minority network 5, duration 2 years. Fees approximately admission year 75,800, other year 75,800. Then there is a course MPH, Master of Public Health. Eligibility are MBBS, BDS, BSc, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduates in Statics, Biostatics, Demography, Population Science Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. Entrance exam paper special. Number of seats open 7, minority network 8, duration 2 years. Admission year fees 90,500, other year 40,500. Candidates who have completed their undergraduate courses at CMC Vellore and are currently undergoing service obligation may furnish a letter stating the same with the expected date of completion. Candidates with service obligation will need to have completed the same by 30th August 2024. Accommodation for MSc Biostatics, Epidemiology and Medical Physics candidate is subject to availability if applicable. Preference will be given to women candidates. Accommodation is not provided for MHA, MPH and fellowship courses. Admission timetable 2024. 8 of February 2024, application can be accessed online. 21st of March 2024, last date for submission of application from form with payment. 25th of March 2024, last date for receipt of relevant supporting documents. 11th of April 2024, last date for receipt of completed sponsorship from forms from MNW organizations. 14th May 2024, step 1 computer based test CBT. 25th of May 2024, announcement of step first result. 30th July 2024, registration and medical checkup at Vellore. 31st July 2024, step 2 practical test and interview. 2nd of August 2024, announcement of final selection result. 9th of August 2024, registration for admission. 10th of August 2024, courses begins. And there are some general instructions. The bulletin may be downloaded free of cost from Christian Medical College website. Essential details are provided to enable candidates to fill the application form for the academic year 2024-25. Please go through this carefully before filling the form. Application form is available only online. The filled in application form has to reach the registrar, Christian Medical College, Vellore, not later than the date mentioned in section 2. The last date for online application submission with payment of application fee along with supporting documents is on the date given in table 2. The application fee includes a basic administration fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of rupees 500 per course applied. Candidates applying from SAARC countries send a demand draft of rupees 2000 or its equivalent, and those from other foreign countries $120 or its equivalent. The application fee can be paid by any one of the methods given below. So these are the methods. So these all information are available in website. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed University of India. So information regarding admissions 2024 for MPH and MHA courses has been given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA entrance exams like AIMS, JIPMET, NIMHANS, Pune University, Lucknow University, CMC Vellore, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.